So how'd you get the name of the band?
I actually have no idea. I actually don't know the set list off the top of my head either.
Oh. Well, it's a cool name.
Thank you.
How'd you put the band together?
The guitarist found people.
Yeah? What song means the most to you?
Probably Substance Sequence.
Yeah, what's it about?
It's just about past histories and stuff.
Oh, cool. Well, yeah, it's like a super group. And the other four members, what bands are they from?
Dance, Gavin Dance, A Lot Like Birds, and Stolas.
Oh, wow. And which members of those bands?
Will and Joe, Michael, they're all in all those bands.
Wow. Well, this is a quite interesting band.
What up, man?
This is a quite interesting band. How was the recording process?
Awesome.
And are you guys like doing a one-time thing, or would you make another?
One-time thing, probably.
Yeah. How's Hell the Sun doing?
Great.
Work on a new album?
Yep.
You should try to re-release the old material.
Maybe.
Is the new album coming out soon?
Yeah, 2014 soon.
I can't wait.
Thank you, man.
Are there any songs that you like off the new album so far?
You'll have to wait and see.
Yeah? Who did the designs?
I'm actually not sure.
Oh.
I didn't take any part of that.
And what inspired you to do this band?
It was fun.
Wow, it's great. It's a cool super group, man. Seeing you, man.